Hi, we're Grace and Harmony.
Or Harmony and Grace.
Today we are going to show you guys how to jumpstart a vehicle.
First and foremost, we need safety glasses and gloves. To be able to jumpstart a vehicle, you need jumper cables.
And then you will need a donor battery and a dead battery.
Also, you need to make sure you're parked.
And make sure the dead battery's in park. And make sure you guys have your safety gear. To correctly attach your jumper cables to your car, you will need to do positive, positive, and negative, negative. Now you do your negative, negative. Now you start your donor car to charge the dead battery.
After you wait 5 minutes, then you can start the other car.
Once the vehicle started, you do the opposite way you connected it. Once it started, you are ready to go now. Ready? Are you going?